So the first thing you're going to want to have is a quality set of silicone massage cups. I will link to this set in the description down below. Very important that if you do have carpal tunnel syndrome, that you have a set of quality massage cups so that whenever you start to feel even tightness happening in your forearm or at your wrist, that you can take action to start to release that tissue before it becomes too constricted. So for this massage, you also need a oil or a lotion to be able to provide glide and slip for the massage cups. This is coconut oil, but you can use any oil that you have on hand. Okay, so to begin with, we're just going to take a little bit of the oil, rub it in with your other hand. We don't actually need any more than that, so you can go ahead and cap that. Just rub that in. Okay, we're going to start with the largest cup that we have. You can squeeze the cup like this to get suction, or you can also press it down, lay it flat, and then release the edge, and then you have a really tight suction. Always go to your level of comfort. If the suction is too much, then release it quickly and then try again. The more you squeeze, the more suction you will have. So we're just going to start with gentle cupping. We're working our way down, releasing the tissue to begin with. Okay, because this is a smaller area, this cup is now too large. We're going to switch to the smaller size, just one size down. And I'm actually going to press and lay that flat. Let go. Now I have suction right over the wrist. This is actually where the carpal tunnel aponeurosis is. It's a thick band of tissue. Okay. Release. Okay. So now I'm going to take this cup. I'm going to come back up to the elbow. And right here on the forearm, I'm going to get suction. And then I'm going to gently glide it. And then inch it up a little and come back the other way. Inch it. Come over. Inch. Drag it over. Inch. Push to the other side. Whoop. Last section. Okay. We're going to switch to the smaller cup, smaller area. And drag that back. And come to the palm. You may have to twist the cup as you glide it. And if you lose suction, which is quite common, just get the suction again and continue on your flow of releasing the tissue. Okay. I'm going to twist. Just twist, twist. Okay, now we're going to come down back to the wrist or the carpal tunnel aponeurosis. And I'm going to gently twist. This one will pop up quite often. Okay. Coming back side to side. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to take the small cup and come back to the wrist. Okay. Slowly drag it towards the carpal tunnel. All right, now we're going to start coming down the middle. And now the edge. If you keep the cup moving, you will not get any red spots from the cups. Okay. So now I'm going to plant the small cup right in the middle of the carpal tunnel with a good suction. Very good. And now I'm going to take the medium cup, make sure I come over to the edge, right here, far over to the edge. I'm going to work this tissue, twisting. All right, into the middle. Release. I'm going to take this cup off. I'm going to move this right to the center of the palm with suction. Come back to this one and twist it forward. So now I'm going to take the large cup, bring the suction here, release this, bring this one here, release this, put this one down, get the medium, bring this right next to that one, release this, bring this here, the next edge, release this, bring this one to the palm, close to the wrist and the thumb, release this, and release. So if you ever feel that there is a restriction in the tissue, then you can leave your cup on that area. It could be an adhesion in your soft tissues, and you can even work it out with more twisting or with multi-direction glides. You can twist, and you can always leave it static. If you leave it for more than a minute or two, you may get a red spot that lasts longer than a day. Okay, so we're just going to stretch these muscles out. Bring your hand the other way with your palm saying no. We're going to take all the fingers, all 4 fingers, and bring it back. And release. Bring it back to your point of resistance, but not past that. Continue to breathe through your stretches and release, stretch and release. We'll make sure we stretch the thumb, release, stretch, release, stretch, release, and each finger individually. Relax. Now you can get some range of motion back in your wrist. Circles the opposite direction. Okay, you can come back to this massage any point during the week where you feel like your tissues are still having a lot of tension and symptoms of carpal tunnel. Thank you for joining me on this cupping massage for carpal tunnel syndrome. If this was beneficial for you, let me know down in the comments. I would like to know if this helped you. If it was helpful for you, then please share it with others that you know that could benefit, such as coworkers or family and friends. And just in case you missed it, I would love for you to check out this video on how I did cupping massage for a client's calf pain. Check it out right here.